Hi guys, welcome back to Texas Decor and more. Well, today is currently July 21st, I think. Could be July 22nd. I'm not sure. July 20 in the beginning of July. I don't know. But I have had my 4th of July decor up for long enough. And in today's video, what we're going to be doing is dismantling all the 4th of July decor. So, I'm just going to go around the house really quickly and kind of show you everything that I have up. And then we're going to start breaking it down, dismantling it, and putting it up. Alright, so that's what this video is all about. And if you want to see that, keep on watching. Give me a like, share, and subscribe. And I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what the house looks like now. And we're going to just start dissimulating it, okay? Okay, so we're going to be taking this down today. We're going to be taking this as well. This is coming down, come down, come down. This has to come down. This has to come down. That has to come down. This is coming off. I'm putting that pillow up and replacing it with a different pillow. And here's Miss Press right here. So that's coming down. That's coming down. That's coming down. And let me take you into the kitchen, show you what else I'm going to take down. So the USA, this curtain, all this decor, that is coming down. Let me turn on the light, get better light in here. I'm going to put this away. All this is going bye-bye, so we're saying bye-bye for another year. That's coming down. And this curtain's also coming down. We're going to be removing this, so let's just go ahead and remove it. I mean, I'm already right here, right? So we're removing that. 4th of July decor. This right here, we're just going to start removing things. So taking that down. 4th of July decor. Let's go over here. Let's get this. So let's take this down. Removing that. Removing the USA. And also removing the big star. Taking that down too. Alright. So we got that down. Oh, those are my chargers. So those are coming down. What else? We can take this down. Take that down. What else? We can take this down, right? Also, I'm taking these down. So let's do that. Because I have something different planned and we're going to get back to regular decor. Now, normally around this time of year, like I said, August, September, I would put my I would be putting up my lemon decor, but I'm really getting into green, so I think we're gonna do some green decor in the kitchen this time. So let's just remove this, and I still, whoops, sorry about that, y'all. That's my hand, sorry. So there's that pile. I really have some 4th of July decor outside as well that I need to take down too. I have flags up there, and I have a wreath I need to take down out there. Okay, so we're getting another little pile together. Let's go ahead and take her down. Removing that. Let's let's remove this. This is actually quite big. I don't know how y'all think it looks, but let me just give you a visual. Pretty big. Love this. We'll never get rid of this. Love, love, love. All right, so I'm gonna open the front door. Whew. We're gonna go ahead and take this away. Okay. Pile's getting bigger, y'all. And then I need to get this from outside. See? So that's coming down too. So, as far as decor goes, I just have a little bit more. I need to take this stuff off. Sorry if I'm breathing heavy. Sound like a serial killer. Coming to get y'all. No, I'm just kidding. That's a little jokey joke, okay? So we got that. We're going to take... I love this thing too. I think this thing is so cute. Little firecrackers. I just love it. Taking that down. Pillow. That needs to come down. Look how big this pile is. See, I'm the type of person, I'm just like, oh, I don't have anything. But once you start piling everything up, you're like, okay, I've got too much crap. Right? But when you put it up in your house, it really doesn't seem like a whole lot, right? But it is a whole lot. So let's take this away. And by the way, I thought this turned out really cute, like the way I did my 4th of July decor this year. I was really happy with the way it turned out. I really was. So let's go ahead and take this side down. Isn't it cute? Cute, cute, cute. And now my house looks like I'm moving out, right? Look at the walls. Just looks like I'm moving out at this point, right? Look how big that pile is. Whew, can't believe it. So yeah, we got that down. I need to work on this. I need to take this off of here. What are y'all doing today? Today's Saturday. This is what I'm doing. Dismantling my house. Dismantling everything, right? But we're going to make it look better. We're going to make it look better. We're going to make it look good again. Right? Everything's going to look better. You just got to take it down and put other things back up. And it's just a whole process. So I've got this down here I need to get. Alright. So we're done.